In this video, you are going to learn step by step on how to shop or how to buy on 1688 as a beginner, step by step tutorial without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to shop on 1688 from multiple suppliers. So let's get started. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and procurement coach. If you want to contact me for importation business, you want me to procure your link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a successful procurement agent, you can contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how to buy from multiple suppliers, step by step tutorial without any stress. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you click on your 1688 app. So I'm going to click on here to access my 1688 app. Alright, having opened up your 1688 app, the next thing you want to do is to make sure you add the product to cart. If you don't know how to add the product to cart, you can check my channel. I have a lot of video about how you add a product to cart and how to delete a product or items from cart. So after you have successfully add an item to your cart, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on cart right here. Then it takes you to your cart. So once you get to your cart, you can scroll down, and what I'm going to do next is to make sure I click on here to select all the products. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to authorize the payment. Next thing to do is to click on here to confirm the payment. I will enter my payment password. Right here, so this is the proof of the payment that we have just made payment for 8 different items successful on 1688 step by step. So next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to go back to my profile. So for me to access my profile, I need to click on here. So right now you can see the product we just paid for on 1688. So this is how you can shop or how you can buy from different suppliers step-by-step tutorial on 1688. If you got follow for this video, give this video a big like, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, consider to click on the subscribe for more tutorial about China importation. If you want to contact me for importation business, maybe you want me to procure your link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, feel free to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.